I was literally trying not to make it go that way.
Seems fine. Yeah, it's all good. So this all started when I got my hands on the new Mavic Mini 2. Little did I know, the city was about to go into lockdown. Before that happened though, we went on a little adventure. We started the trip outside the city, walking through the wet, muddy forest in search of the waterfall.
Yeah, actually come around. The view is actually crazy.
Our next stop was Evergreen Brickworks, but on the way there, this park caught my eye, and I thought to myself this would be an amazing place to fly the drone. Look how small this is.
Bro, that's the size of your hand. I mean,
like
if
a
you
toy.
if you fold it up, it's the size of your hand.
Right? And then, some way, somehow, the cops showed up. So we kept on moving. We finally got to Evergreen, and it was getting dark fast. So we hiked to the top, and with our thighs burning, we put the drone up. And I'd say it was worth it. After spending the whole day exploring, we knocked out and woke up the next morning in the city. So we were staying right outside of Nathan Phillips Square, and I really wanted to get some drone shots there. I felt like a fugitive as I was flying the drone because security was staring at me from all directions, even though there was nobody really even there. Here are my thoughts after using this drone for about a month. There's some stuff I haven't used as much, like the quick shot modes and just taking pictures with it. I've flown it in the winter, in really strong winds, in low light, and in rural and city settings to show you guys versatility. With the affordable price point, extended battery life, and considering it's below the weight limit, which is really important in Canada because it saves me from jumping through all these hoops for licensing and whatnot, this is a win. I will definitely be using this drone a lot for all my future projects.